My name is Peter Fransen and I work at Partisia building the Partisia blockchain software. Today I'm going to explain the way that we have done sharding. It's a feature we call Iris, named after the Greek messenger card. Sharding is a way to increase the transaction throughput on a blockchain. So it is a mechanism that allows you to increase the amount of transactions that can run through a single blockchain at the same time. So our sharding model takes into account both accounts and contracts. And accounts and contracts are sharded in the same manner and they are split across multiple shards. That's the core part of the scalability of blockchain, and that's what everybody wants to achieve when they are solving for the blockchain trilemma. But we have solved it in a way where we do not compromise with neither security or decentralization, which is the other part of the blockchain trilemma. So we have built sharding in a manner where we can actually achieve all the same things and even run multiple shards at the same time. The argument for the way that we have designed our blockchain is based on numbers. The number was that we wanted 100 million people to transact on a single day. That means that 100 million people should be able to send a single transaction to the blockchain a day. That's 1,000 transactions per second. That's very, very hard to achieve without making some automatic mechanisms that takes into account, and that's the Iris sharding model. It guarantees that we can split, even if that 100 million number of transactions per day becomes 1 billion transactions per day. We can even split more shards out and create more transaction throughput if the congestion increases and we have more transactions than we can process at the same time. The Iris sharding model makes it possible for the developers to guarantee that they can program as if they worked in a sandbox environment, but the sharding mechanism automatically routes the transaction to the right contract. And you as a developer, you don't have to write specific code that takes into account the different parts of the shards. That's all done by the blockchain framework. The developers, they have complete freedom and transparent framework, but they don't have to take into account the different shards. Businesses can use our platform, and if they actually grow successful and they acquire a large user base, and that user base is residing on the blockchain, then our sharding model, the Iris sharding model, will allow you to grow indefinitely. The transaction throughput on our blockchain is not constrained by any limitations in the system. We can start more shards if need be. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next speaker, who will be Emil, who will be talking about our innovative way of doing cross-chain operations and our collateralized token bridging.